नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका इस चैनल में जिसका नाम है डॉक्टर विपुल वी कपूर लेट्स लर्न। फ्रेंड्स, जब मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को असाइनमेंट के तौर पर पीडीएफ बनाने के लिए कहा तो आई रिसीव्ड सो मैनी मैसेजेस फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स दैट वी डोंट हैव अ पीसी एट होम, तो हम पीपीटी कैसे बनाएं। Friends, in this video, I will teach you how to use your Android mobile and make a PPT on this small mobile. Friends, you will be surprised to know that you can make even better and more impressive PowerPoint presentation on your Android mobile in comparison to the PC, right? So friends, let's begin. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको पीपीटी बनाना है तो आपके पास WPS, ये एप्लीकेशन जो आप मेरे मोबाइल पे देख रहे हैं WPS ऑफिस होनी चाहिए, राइट। इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दिस application then you can download it from the Play Store, WPS. Now once downloading it, you can open it like this. Once you click on this WPS, you will see this screen. Then on the bottom right corner there is a symbol of plus. Okay, you click that plus and then you will see this window, okay, where you will be asked to prepare what you want to create a new Word document or a presentation or a spreadsheet or a PDF or whatever, right? So अगर आपको PPT बनाना है तो आप यहाँ पर जो मिडल में आपको दिख रहा है रेड कलर, वहाँ पर जाना है, क्लिक करना है and then you will have this screen. Then you go for the blank sheet, right? On the left top corner here you can click on this and your journey of making PPT begins. This is your first slide. Okay, now double click on this first box and then you can add your title. You can write your title. Say for example, if you want to write if you want to prepare a PPT on Dryden as a critique, right? Then you can do this. Then write your name here because this is your front slide. So please don't forget to write your name, your class, your roll number or whatever you want to add. Okay, so friends, this is your first slide. Now as you can see in the bottom there is another slide with a symbol of plus. If you click on that, then you have different options what kind of next slide you want to create. Okay, as you can see, title slide, title and content slide or section header, 2 column content. से for example आपको कुछ comparison करना है तो ये 2 column content आप use कर सकते हैं, or you can use this one also, comparison, this वाला, right? So I choose this one and then I got this slide with one title and one content. Here I will write the title, here I will write the content. So here double click on this box and you can mention the title of your next slide. Say for example, my next slide is definition of drama. Okay, then write the content here. What is the definition, some points if you want to make and everything, right? Okay, then in the same manner, if you want to create a next slide, then at the bottom as you can see there is a blank slide with a symbol of plus. So click on this and again you have different options, right? Say for example, अगर इस स्लाइड में मेरे को कंपैरिजन करना है तो मैं ये ले सकता हूँ, right? Here you can write the title, okay, blah 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 blah. And here you can do comparison. Double click on this and write some points, okay, like this. Double click on this box, write some points, blah blah blah, and you are done, okay. And the last slide will be your thank you. Now this is just an example, so I am not making more slides. Go to the first slide by clicking here, okay. Now you select this upper box, and with this you can make a bold by clicking B. You can make the fonts larger by clicking A plus. You can make them smaller by clicking A minus. More options if you want to go, then you can click here, and there are more options. Like if you want to change the fonts, there are different fonts, right? Different styles, different fonts are available. In the same manner, if you want to write italic words, underline the words, okay, these options are here. And if you want to change the color of your fonts, then you have more colors here. If you click these three dots, these many colors are available. You can write your fonts in any color, right? For now I am taking black color, okay. Now text box, you can change the color of the text box, right? Here you can see this is the menu, right? Here you have home. In home you can change your fonts, size of the fonts, color of the fonts. And then text box, you click on these three dots and the color of the text box changes, right? Say for example I take this yellow color, and then this is file, which is not right now so much important. Go to this designs, okay. Design means your background of the whole slide, okay. Now if you want to keep some specific design or color of your slide, then you can do it from here, right? I say for example this color, whatever color background color you want to choose. I take red, and don't forget to click on this button apply to all slides, because the background must be common with all the slides, okay. Now you can, in the same manner, you can change the fonts here, make them bigger, okay, and change the color of the text here. Sorry, this is background. You can go to this home and change the font if you want, right? Okay, and like this. Then go to the text box, change the color of your box. In the same manner you can do with this also, okay. Change the color of the text box like this, okay. Yellow, and say I take this blue. This is how you can do it. In the same manner, like design, go to this option of transition. First of all you go to the first slide and then go to transition. There are different animations available, okay. You can take different animations with different slides, okay. Go to transition, this peel off, clear. So this is how you can make transitions using this function. So friends, this is done, right? You can make your PPT on your mobile, right? you can do these things like central, uh, yes, take it, keep it in the center, keep this in the center. Okay, these options are available. Or if you want to give 1 2 3 4, you can give 1 2 3 4 from here. Okay, left alignment, central alignment, right alignment. Okay, these all options are given here. So friends, this is how. Don't forget to save. Okay, give some name to your file. Dryden, say for example, and save. Okay, and then done. Okay, now you can play and see how it looks. This is your first slide, second slide, third slide. Okay, and then you can send this to anybody on WhatsApp, through email and all. So friends, I hope you understand. Thank you very much.